Then the track is underassembled. Right, let's turn on Diesel and RC Diesel 10. There goes RC Diesel 10. Woo! RC Diesel 10 is very fast. Look at him. Wow, look at those fast trains go. Woo! Woohoo! Hello, Diesel! Here comes RC Diesel 10! Woohoo! Woo! RC Diesel 10 is so fast. Uh-oh, here comes another accident. Woo! RC Diesel 10 is so fast that you can catch up to him. Uh-oh. Diesel is almost out of batteries, and RC Diesel 10 is almost close. Oh no, boom! Another accident happened. Get these tracks out the way. Uh-oh. I think another accident is going to be happened. Uh-oh. Cargo. Uh-oh. The cargo car. The cargo car. The cargo car. Uh-oh. We got derailed. Oh, no. Oh, look at those trains. Oh, no. They got derails. Oh, no. Put the Lego back up here. There we go. Alright. Let's start with RC Diesel 10 because Diesel needs to take a break because Diesel needs new batteries. So let's put him here for now. Let's start with RC Diesel 10 because he's the fastest engine on Sodor. I'll put this back in here for some reason. There we go. So now let's try RC Diesel. Oh no! It's right there for now. I gotta test this track. Alright, RC Diesel 10. All set. Go! Woo! He's fast. Here goes RC Diesel. Alright. Ready for RC Diesel 10 to come down the tunnel. Woo! Look at him. He's so fast. Look at him. Oh wow, here comes the tunnel. Woohoo! Hello, Diesel! Woohoo! The fastest engine on Sodor. Woohoo! Ooh! Look at the fastest engine on Sodor. I don't think Thomas is going to be original engine, but look what we got on the cargo cars right here. Look at all of them. We got Thomas, Spencer, Salty, Danny, Percy, Thomas, Toby, Freddy, another Toby, Diesel, Obel Battery Power James, and Luke and James, and we got Diesel and RC Diesel 10. Look at him, he's so fast. See, look at this. The Gadget engine is so fast. Wow. RC Diesel is so fast. Look at him go. I can't even catch up to him.
He's fast, alright.
Yeah, he's so fast. Yeah, he's so fast, alright, that RC Diesel 10 did come. Wow. Nice. Wow. Look at RC Diesel 10 go. He's the fastest engine on Sodor. Wow. Look at that new cargo car he got. Look at that new cargo car. We need a box from these Thomas and Friends. The curve is getting too big. Wow. So I gotta get an extra box because they're a little bit sorted out. Gotta get an extra box from the Thompson Twins. Wow, look at Diesel puff and go. Look at that. Alright, turn it off. Alright, that is the RC Diesel 10. And one more thing is the pitch puck. See, look, it's opening up, close up. So that's a cool thing. Happy summer, boys and girls. This is the bestest RC Diesel 10. And the cool car, the newest cool car. And nice. Happy summer, boys and girls. Enjoy your playtime. Bye, kids.